It's your boy Ben here. I'm diving back more than 5 to 6 million years in Bayside, Melbourne, Australia, holding my breath, travelling to the bottom of the sea floor. I spy with my little eye something beginning with P. Periotic, the internal-most ear bone of a baleen whale, most likely that of a baleen-opterid. Woo!
Whoa! Now this is the specimen in question. And you might be asking, Ben, what's a baleen whale? Well, baleen whales are the biggest creature the world has ever seen. They're characterized by having large keratinous racks in the upper mouth. They don't have any functional teeth at all. And what they do is they filter out gigantic quantities of water for tiny little creatures that swim in it. Usually krill, no bigger than your thumb. A blue whale is thought to eat up to 4 metric tons of krill in a single day. It's so incredibly absurd. Now this ear bone, which came from Bayside, Melbourne, that I found at the bottom of the sea floor, comes from a type of whale known as a baleen-opterid. Type of whale that's more closely related to fins and blue whales than any other living group. And its size is what makes it special. When you think of baleen whales today, they're the biggest creatures ever, but these whales weren't getting to the massive chonk sizes of a blue whale, probably averaging out about 5 to 8 meters in length in the late Miocene and early Pliocene. This ear bone is testament to that fact.
Quite often I get the question, Ben, what's the deadliest thing you come across? Other than idiots on jet skis, it's probably this creature here. It has enough venom to kill a man within 10 minutes. The blue-ringed octopus. There's a pair of them probably mating with each other in this spot at the bottom of the sea floor. We're going to leave them alone now, and as long as you leave them alone, they won't do anything to you. Every now and again, the weather is so bad you can't go for a dive. In this instance, I decided to go for a walk along the foreshore of Bayside, Melbourne. And guess what I found? The tiny little internal-most ear bone of a type of dolphin. Maybe that of a river dolphin. Less than 10 of these specimens have ever been recovered from the continent.
Whoa! Today, oceanic dolphins are one of the most widespread groups of whales on the planet. But 5 to 6 million years ago, this was not necessarily the case, especially in Bayside. In Bayside, Melbourne, the physeteroids, the sperm whales, were top-order predators with only diminutive dolphins swimming around them. This internal-most ear bone belongs to one of these tiny dolphins from Bayside. And the biggest question that needs to be asked, does this represent a river dolphin? It's pretty hard to tell, and based on the available evidence, we probably can't say for sure if it was a river dolphin. It looks strikingly similar to the La Plata river dolphin in terms of morphology, but it's not quite the same. But it's more intriguing evidence of these incredible animals that lived off our coastline 5 to 6 million years ago. Whoa! Whoa! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've liked what you've seen, check out our description or go to our bio. There you'll find our Patreon with never before seen footage of what it takes to find these specimens at the bottom of the seafloor. It's only with your help that we can realize the full potential of this incredible fossil site. Every single one of the fossils that you've seen will make their way into the State Repository of Museums Victoria, where researchers will be able to study them for years to come. So thank you for watching, and donate if you can. Ben out. Whoa! Like and subscribe and join us next week as we dive in, showing off all the incredible shark teeth we've been able to find over the last few months. The ancestor of the great white shark to one of the most terrifying macro predators of all time, the megalodon. You won't want to miss it. Ben out.